Good morning, my name is Heidi and I own the store TPT, the Lesson Pony. Today I'd like to talk to you about email providers. The three major ones that I'm going to go over today. The first is MailChimp. MailChimp is the one that most sellers begin with. It's free. That's a big bonus. You can have, I believe, up to 2,000 subscribers. Double check into that. After that, it becomes quite expensive to use. The second one is ConvertKit. All the big sellers use ConvertKit. However, it can become very, very expensive once your email list grows. The good thing about ConvertKit is it's very user-friendly. Everyone who uses it really likes it a lot, and their support is excellent, and that makes a big difference. The third and the email provider which I recommend you use is ConvertKit. And the reason that I recommend that you use Flowdesk. The reason that I recommend that you use Flowdesk is because it's half price for the first year. After the first year, the price does go up, and you can have unlimited subscribers. Their support is all right, but they do everything by email, which means it does take a while if you have any trouble to set it up. The graphics are really nice. If you could please, down below, tell me which provider you use and why you use it. As I said, I like Flowdesk the best, but again, it's up to you. Thank you, and have a nice day, and even more important, a nice summer. Can't wait for school to get out. Thank you again. Stop that.